Alright, so welcome back to the Side That Sports TV, people. The match is over, and I must say, I'm gutted. What's the immediate reaction, bro?
The same. Very, very emotional. Even took out my emotions. And my colleague just now, we had an altercation for no reason but just sheer frustration. We came into this match very optimistic, expecting a win. We were impressed by a few standout players. However, due to, I would say, poor management of players by the coach and just bad finishing by Jamaica would have cost us these 3 points.
Let's talk to some of the players, bro. First of all, I want to say Bobby REID. We call it for a reason, bro. We give you the number 10 for a reason. You're supposed to be our guy. When are you going to turn up in the campaign?
I've been harping on this fact for a while. Since Bobby REID got COVID in the Gold Cup, he has not showed up for Jamaica. And I would have assumed that maybe it was due to the COVID situation. However, he's been playing so well at Fulham. He's been playing so well. So why then can't that game Anyways, Bobby REID, poor performance. Who else would you like to speak on?
I must say, Lamar Walker. Bigger than your brother.
He should not even be
Lightweight.
in the 20. Bobby REID, I agree, because of his quality, can make it to the 23. Lamar Walker should not be here. I would say Tariq McGee.
Rafael Morrison. Everybody in that position.
No, but even players who weren't involved. I would say Tariq McGee, Jamal Lowe would have been better suited to be in this squad at this time than Lamar Walker. And it come in like set apart. Try a thing. In the most important game I'm carrying, try a thing. I'm not with it, bro.
Alright, so we saw that Rafael Morrison came on maybe 67 minutes around there, somewhere around there. And in those few minutes, he was way better than Lamar Walker in that game. How can everybody in the stands see that Rafael Morrison is a better player and he should be starting? But Tapper, we tried to start a chant. We tried to call for him. He came
guys, at about the 60th minute mark, we were like, Ravel, and the stadium started to join in, and we were like pioneers. But that guy was still on the bench, and we eventually gave up because it wasn't making an impact. But Ravel Morrison came on, made a difference, and I will say Kemar Lawrence is one of my favorite footballers. But I think he has officially been dispossessed.
Greg Lee. He is injured, so he gave it his all and he hobbled off. So I won't say anything bad about him, but Greg Lee, man, outstanding.
An outstanding performance.
And the outstanding performance is that I must say Mikel Antonio. I said it in the preview,
Best
I called
it.
Moments guy.
Rush did call it, and we speak about moments guy. How is it even possible for him to score a better goal than the one he scored against El Salvador?
How?
We saw that goal against El Salvador and we were like, this is as good as it gets. It does not get any better than this, especially at the CONCACAF level.
I'm pretty sure. Hold on, people, come here. I don't know if I can see over the bleachers. I must say I was running from tunnel 5 to tunnel 8 and back. I almost broke Phillips' neck celebrating that goal. Hugging strangers. This is one of my best days. That was one of my best moments watching Jamaica, but I can't say it was my best day.
But what did you say about Mikel Antonio? Moments.
And
he will continue. You know what that leads me to think about? What if Mikel Antonio was in these colours since 25 years old? That guy would have at least 40 goals by now.
For sure.
So, just gutted by the end result.
Shoutouts. Liam Moore, Damian Lowe.
Yeah, Liam Moore as usual outstanding. Damian Lowe had a good defensive game, but the first goal, I would have to put the blunt of the blame on his shoulders.
Again, I have to watch it over, but Bobby REID, he won the ball. He came over, I don't know if you saw it, he shielded the man and ran past the man instead of just throwing the ball out. And again, I don't think he will be starting the next game. Poor.
Bobby REID.
But yeah, I'm excited to be back in the stadium. It was a good feeling. I was excited before the game. I am gutted, but I'm working, so it might not show. And yeah, 5,000 people in the stands.
It was honestly for the small amount of people that were there.
4,100.
For the small amount of people that were there, I felt Independence Park's energy.
For sure, it was bouncing.
It did feel like the office, and when Mikel Antonio hit, it was fun. Like as I said, guys, had we finished with 3 points right now, I would have been so hopped up on adrenaline I couldn't even sleep. However, it's the opposite right now. I'm gutted, I'm sad, but we're out here doing this for you guys, and the next time we'll be covering Serious Reggae Boys content will be at the beginning of the next FIFA window in January. What are your thoughts going forward on that?
On our World Cup aspirations?
Yeah, let's talk about that. Are we still on the road to Qatar? Heart and
My head predicted that we would have lost today. I'm wrong. I'm glad that I'm wrong, but I'm also not super optimistic about going forward. A draw was not enough. We came into this window saying that we needed at least 4 points.
At least 4 points.
We got 2. That's well off the mark.
Yeah.
So I can't say I'm looking forward to being in Qatar, because I wanted to be in Qatar. We don't make it by then. But yeah, unfortunately, I think we'll have to be trying for 2026.
And that brings into question.
But my heart, I don't want people to beat me.
I don't know where your heart thinks.
My heart is saying we'll make it to Qatar 2022 winter. We need to bust by then.
4th spot. Playoffs.
Playoffs.
Oceania.
Right.
New Zealand.
That's my
2
heart.
legs.
So don't beat me, people.
Guys, we will be making a critical review of this match.
We'll be breaking it down.
For sure. So this won't be the last you guys will hear of this match. We'll be making a critical review of this match, and in the future we'll also be talking about Jamaica, the program going forward. However, this is it from us at the stadium tonight, bro. It was very fun finally being back in the stadium, working with one of my best friends, guys. It was an amazing experience, and the ability to carry you guys along with us made it even more special. I just would have loved it if the boys would have brought out the result, but it didn't happen. What do you have to say to the people, bro?
Look out for the content, pre-match and post-match. We have some fan cams coming. The people gave their reactions after the game. I must say that was entertaining doing that. Pre-match, we spoke about, no, we didn't talk about the starting lineup, but we spoke about what this game would have meant for Jamaica. We have a vlog coming, taking us from this morning when we woke up to now leaving, going into the car and driving away. So stay tuned for that. Coming up, we have our football premier, we have our fantasy Premier League game show, schoolboy football. We dropped our Calabar feature on Sunday. Look out for Kingston College
it's
on
been
Friday.
doing so well, guys. Thank you so much for supporting.
I think that's our best video.
Continue to share it, please, because it's a lot of work. It's hard work, It's a lot of dedication it takes to put out this content. So continue to share it. Please continue showing us love. Give them the mats right now, or wait.
Give them the mats. Give them the mats.
All of our subscribers can get us 5 subscribers, guys. Do you know how many subscribers that would bring us by the end of today? So just do one for dinner, guys.
That's it from us here at Independence Park. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you know whenever we post. And stay tuned for more content. Out.